This is not just a gaming story, this is the journey and tragic loss of a player who lived for Free Fire, Tahir Fuego. Before we continue, subscribe to the channel and comment below if you remember watching Fuego play. Tahir Fuego was a professional Free Fire player and content creator from India. Known for his aggressive gameplay and fearless mindset, he quickly became a recognized name in the Free Fire esports scene. He spoke Hindi and Urdu in daily life and used English during gaming and online interactions. Free Fire was more than a game for Tahir, it was his passion. He dedicated countless hours to improving his skills and competing at a higher level. His hard work led him to play for major esports organizations like Nigma Galaxy and GodLike Esports, where he earned respect from teammates and fans. Tahir was not only focused on winning matches but also on connecting with the gaming community. Through live streams and content creation, he shared his gameplay, experiences, and journey with thousands of followers. On January 31, 2026, shocking news spread across the community. Tahir Fuego was found in critical condition at the GodLike Esports bootcamp and later passed away despite medical efforts. Reports suggested his death was linked to a self-harm attempt, leaving the esports world in deep shock. Though his life ended too soon, Tahir Fuego's passion and legacy continue to live on in the Free Fire community. His story remains a reminder of the human side behind competitive gaming. If this story touched you, share your thoughts in the comments and subscribe.